Okay, for everybody that owns a 2009 to 2014 Articat mudpro 700, this is the wiring harness. I'm going to show you where the brakes are that I have found so far, and I will make another video to show you where the brakes are. So, as we're looking at it right here where the light is, that's a headlight. Over here, that's a headlight. That right there is the main connector that goes to your instrument pod. Comes down. Wires frayed right there, right where the light is pointing. In that section will be frayed. Then come down a little farther. And then right past your steering wheel, in between your steering wheel all the way back to where the ECU plugs in. Strip the whole goddamn thing. You're going to find shitloads of brakes. There's one. This is from the previous owner right here. But this is what you're looking for. And then when you get to this little junction, this is your map sensor, your throttle positioning sensor, your idle control circuit, shit like that. Look at the back side of the damn wires that go to the throttle positioning sensor and the idle control. They break right there. Then follow them down, and right at the point where it splits to go to the ECU, they break right there where you're seeing all that nasty ass glue somebody put there. And then I'm going to follow it all the way back down the back end to the fuse box here. And I know the taillights and all that shit work, so we'll have to tear that apart. But so far we found about 7 or 8 brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the 7th one? I think the 7th one's on the back side. But see that yellow plug? It's right next to these 2 yellow plugs by your steering wheel neck. You'll see them. But I'll let you know if I find more.